Hello, it's HardReset, and today I'm with Razer Wolverine version 2. So, I'm gonna show you all the buttons in it. We have two joysticks that are replaceable with magnet. 4 buttons, like always in an Xbox: Y, X, A, and B. We have arrows and 4 setting buttons. Here we have left top, left bottom, right bottom, middle one and middle 2 buttons. And in the back we have 4 more buttons that are able to bind for a gameplay. And here are buttons for locking. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.